Hey, this is David Fernandez for Anatomy and Physiology. This is Lab 10, experiment number 1. Breathing and the acid-base balance. So let's get right to it. I've labeled my 2 beakers 1 and 2, and I have distilled water that I just, I boiled some water and had the steam roll off from the top into a little bowl. And it's about 100 milliliters. It's, probably closer to like 90, but we'll make it work. So without further ado, we're gonna pour about 50 into cup 1 and 50 into cup 2, and 48 to cup 2. There we go. Alrighty, so both have 50. Next is to use our handy dandy mini graduated cylinder. Yay! Now we need to get 1 milliliter of saturated sodium bicarbonate. Oh, forgot. How about that? 1 milliliter, which is that. Alrighty. 1 milliliter of saturated sodium bicarbonate into beaker 1. Okay. Next is adding 2 drops of phenol red to beaker 1. Let's see here. Let's make it visually more interesting. So, 1, 2. There we go. Mix gently. Okay. Now we're going to be blowing the straws. We're going to be blowing the straw to blow bubbles to beaker 1, and that's the stopwatch is ready to go. Let's see how long it takes. This is taking a heck of a lot longer than I thought it would. Let's continue. Alright, well, that was a giant waste of time. So the instructions say that it was supposed to turn from pink to a acidic yellow. And if nothing happens after 5 minutes, to just write down on my observations, no change. And you can clearly see it was a lot more pink than before. I'll give it that, but I can say that it actually turned yellow. So there's that. So I will record that a little bit later. Next step would be to check out the graduated cylinder again and pour 1 more milliliter saturated sodium bicarbonate into the solution. Okay. Alrighty, we have our 1 milliliter. And then, alright, and now we're supposed to use our pipette to add 5 drops of the sodium bicarbonate buffer solution to beaker 2. Why would I use the pipette? Okay, well, either way, we'll figure this out together. This is a learning experience. This is a learning experience for us all. So, all right, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 drops of phenol red to beaker 2. 1, 2. Okay. Now we're going to gently swirl the solutions to create a homogeneous mixture. Okay. Now it's fairly pink, fairly mixed. We're going to do this again. So, without further ado, let's start. I'm seeing a repeat here. Oh my gosh. Home stretch. Well, I don't know about you, but this to me still does not look quite yellow. They're actually about the same. I'm just gonna call it. I'm gonna have to say no change. Well, that was a lot of fun, and I will see you in a bit with the next lap. Alrighty, so this is part 2, urine acidity, urine pH. Alrighty, so we have ourselves our urine sample, gloves on. We need to find our test strip. So, let's see. Okay. I suppose this is it. Okay. Alright, so just have to immerse the entire thing. Doesn't say for how long though. Oh, 5 seconds, yes it does. So remove test strip. Alright. So while removing the strip, left side of the strip, blow the strip lengthwise against an absorbent paper towel. And right here. Alrighty. So here we are. I don't know if you can see that well, but okay. Compare the color results in your test strip to the color chart. Be sure to wait the appropriate respective amount of time for the results to occur per test. Indicate your results for each test in the results. And I do believe that is it. So, here we are. No, better said. Alright. So here we are. So I'm going to put this next to the piece of paper, and we will see. Alrighty, so that does it. Thank you very much. Y'all take care.